guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz. We've got a mule review and unboxing for you. We've got the Nike CALM MULE. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike CALM MULE. We got this in the hemp colorway in the UK size 8. It's a European 42.5 and it's a US 9. So let's get unboxed in. And here they are. Nike's very own mule. We've done tons of like Nike slip-ons reviews in the past before. So do check that out in our back catalog if you get the opportunity to. But this is essentially Nike's response, I would say, to the mule foam movement that loads of brands are doing, especially from, you've got brands like Crocs and Birkenstock who have clamped down, even Merrell, actually, I forgot to big shout out to Merrell, if anyone watching is from Merrell, and we know that you are, just throw some boys some, we do like them waterproof clogs that you got on there. Also, but you're here to see a Nike one, and we've got the Nike CALM MULE. This is their edition of a foam mule. And let's get into all that specific details that you love to see. So with the outsole, this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see the textured grip there. This was designed for not avoiding, but you can use this on the slippery surfaces. Right there for you. Look at the main body of the mule. So essentially it is a foam. So you can see all around. It's that main body of the mule, and it says it's water resistant, so you can splash some water, get a bit dirty, just give it a nice clean and it'll be brand new. Essentially it's in the mule, so you can see, just pop your feet in. You've got an adjustable strap here to put into sport modes, and it is from a hook and loop system. Right there, and it's got the Nike branding at the back. Again, this is the same material as the foam body. This is another foam for your heel. You got some textured grip on the insole. Essentially, again, it's the same mold of foam. And on the lateral side, there's Nike swoosh. And on the medial side, you've got some air holes to get the flow of air into your feet to make it more breathable. Very lightweight, it's what you want in a pair of mules. If you're not a big fan of Crocs, this is something you can look into, because not everyone likes Crocs. We're firm believers here of mules at Oneupreviewz, and if anyone from any brand is watching, we do love a pair of mules, so throw some over to your boys. This is really dope in and of itself. If you're a fan of Nike and you don't want to get any other brand, maybe try this CALM MULE. Obviously this is being worn to relax. You're not going to be doing anything athletic in these, but if you are, you got your sport strap mode. Unfortunately you can't, put it over, so Nike, you could do something there, but I guess you can take these off, but that's more work in my opinion. Anyway, that's just my views on this mule. Really excited to try these on, see how they fare against a pair of Crocs. So roll out footage of me trying these CALM MULEs on for you. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. This is a UK size 8. There's a bit of space where my toes are, but all in all, they're very lightweight. They're not as comfy as Crocs though. That's the only thing I've got against it. I think it's because of the insole. It's very flat. It's not more forgiving, more cushiony like a pair of clogs from Crocstar. But that's where Nike can improve. And if anyone from Nike is watching, and I know that you are, take some advice from that. Hope you take that into account. Personally, I'd rather have a pair of Crocs. But that's just my personal opinion. You might be those people who don't like Crocs and are looking for an alternative. I want to say that these are it, but there are better alternatives out there. For those wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo joggers. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.